and welcome to my YouTube channel, Sprinkles and Scribbles, where I share with you all things life with a side of sweet. So today, we're going to be making some cupcakes that are perfect for this fall weather. Yes, you guessed that right, pumpkin spice cupcakes topped with some cinnamon cream cheese frosting. So first, we're going to make the pumpkin spice cupcakes with pumpkin puree and a bunch of warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. And then we're going to top those cupcakes with a tangy cream cheese frosting flavored with cinnamon. So, if you're also in serious fall mode, just like me, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started.
So to start, we're going to make the pumpkin spice cupcakes. To a bowl, add oil, pumpkin puree, white sugar, as well as some brown sugar, and mix it all really well together. And then we're going to add 1 egg to this batter. Next, we're going to sift in our dry ingredients, the flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and all our spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, as well as some allspice. Then we're going to sift all our dry ingredients right into the bowl and give it a good mix with a spatula just until all the flour has been incorporated. Next, add some cupcake liners to a cupcake tin and then fill the cupcake tins about 2/3 of the way with the batter. This recipe makes about 6 to 7 cupcakes. And then we're going to bake it in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Once the cupcakes are done, let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes and then move them to a wire rack to cool all the way through. While the cupcakes are cooling, we'll make our cinnamon cream cheese frosting. Into a large bowl, add some butter, cream cheese, and mix for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Then, add in your powdered sugar a little at a time and mix between each addition. And then finally, on the last addition, we're going to add some cinnamon into the mix as well. At this point, you can also add in a little bit of vanilla if you like. And then whip the frosting until everything's incorporated and it's light and fluffy. And then finally, I like to hand mix my frosting at the very end to get out all the air bubbles before piping them on the cupcakes. Next, we're going to add the cinnamon cream cheese frosting to a piping bag fitted with a piping tip. And then finally, it's time to frost these cupcakes. Hold your piping bag upright and make a swirl with your piping tip. I added some crushed pecans and gold sprinkles on top of these cupcakes.
And there you have it, some classic fall flavors all wrapped up into a cupcake. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. See you next week.